Welcome to Fly and Design. Today we're going to make a doormat that says, "Hey there, pumpkin." First, you're going to need this mat. Mine is 30 inches long by 18 inches wide. Take some 2-inch wide duct tape and tape around the edges. Next, use 1-inch wide tape for the inner edge. We'll call this the placement piece. And then one more piece of 1 inch again on the inner edge. Go back and remove that placement piece. This is where the flex seal is going to go. Next, you're going to need to cut your design out of freezer paper using your Cricut, or you can cut a design with scissors. The freezer paper curls when you pull it up off the mat, so I used sewing pins to hold it in place so that I could iron it on. Once you get all of your pins in place, iron it onto the mat using the cotton setting. And once you're done, you'll need to use tape to cover up any other areas that you don't want to get sprayed. All right, make sure you do this outside in a well-ventilated area. I like to wear latex gloves whenever I do a project like this. Go ahead and shake that can up really, really well. It's very thick, and the more you shake it, the better it goes on. You'll also need to make sure you are pointing the can of Flex Seal straight down so that you don't get it under the stencil. And you should put on 2 coats. I only purchased a 2-ounce can of this Flex Seal, and now I wish that I would have bought a bigger can. I noticed from the beginning that it had a lot of overspray, so next time I will get a bigger can and make sure I have enough to do 2 entire coats over the whole thing. As soon as you're done spraying the Flex Seal on, remove your stencil. And having those little sewing pins still stuck in it sure made the whole process easier when I was removing the stencil. I didn't smudge anything. I just reached down, grabbed those little pins, and was able to pull those little pieces off of the inside of those letters. It was perfect. Look at those perfectly straight lines and sharp edges. I am so in love with this product. This Flex Seal goes on so well. It just came out perfect. I love it. My front door is huge, so I paired the doormat with another outdoor rug. I think it looks great. Thanks for watching, and check out flyanddesign.com for more ideas.